Oliver. I'm currently a sophomore at the University of Southern California. So I'm currently majoring in international relations, and I'm planning to add data science as a double major in the fall. Um, so as Christine mentioned, my junior year of high school, I actually did a summer study immersion program where I studied Mandarin in China and lived with a host family. So that's another little facet of my personality and something I'm continuing to engage in college. So yeah, I've been involved with Teen Innovators for about a year now. Last summer, we did this little 1 week really fun summer camp, um, and I had some great experiences just being engaged with some of the younger students. For example, we had this workshop where we took miscellaneous objects and used them to build costumes, and it was just so much fun. Just watching these younger students really turn on their thinking caps and really kind of make something new. So I'm really excited to be here, and thank you.